Oh. Ôi ôi ôi, chạy 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 chạy. Ôi đâu ơi ơi. Ôi đó, thôi rồi. Ôi.
Pakistan is in tears and mourning. About 400 people have died as a result of floods that have swept across dozens of regions of the country. People rescued each other with their bare hands, pulling neighbours out of the water and flooded houses.
ये मिंगौरा के ताज़ीन सूरत हाल है, ये देख लें। और डांस स्कूल तक पानी पहुंच चुका है।
The natural disaster wiped villages off the face of the earth, turned roads into rivers, and left thousands of families homeless. A tragic accident occurred involving a Pakistani army helicopter carrying humanitarian aid in connection with the flooding. It crashed tragically.
जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक जी। एबटाबाद की तमाम सड़कें जो है
The situation is very difficult. Rescuers are clearing the rubble, but every hour brings new victims. The world seems to be collapsing before our eyes. In recent weeks, the planet has been experiencing disasters that, until recently, seemed like scenes from disaster movies. But this is reality. And more people are beginning to ask themselves, are we really living in the times that ancient prophecies warned us about? India, tragedy in Kishwar. A cloudburst struck pilgrims gathered by the river. Torrential waters swept people away, destroying bridges and houses. Dozens died, hundreds are missing. For many, this pilgrimage became their last journey.
ये आप तक हम पहुंचा रहे हैं वटकूट पहलगाम से। ये रोड ब्लॉक हो चुका है और पानी का बहाव आप देख सकते हैं। पानी के साथ साथ लकड़ियां और बाकी चीज भी, पत्थर, लकड़ियां, सब कुछ यहाँ पे बह के आ रहे हैं।
The capital of El Salvador is submerged in water and mud. Landslides are destroying homes. Streets are blocked with rocks and trees. And rescue services are overwhelmed with calls.
There is also flooding in the Philippines.
In the city of Mandaue, people are literally swimming through the streets. Houses are standing in water, many are flooded inside, and people are seeking refuge. There have been fatalities. Africa is also suffering from flooding. In Dakar, the capital of Senegal, more than 70 millimeters of rain fell in a matter of hours. Streets turned into raging rivers, and schools and hospitals were flooded. Residents say they have never seen such heavy rain in their entire lives. Write in the comments, which is scarier, water sweeping away cities or earth destroying houses? Earth in turmoil, Indonesia. An earthquake measuring 6.0 on the Richter scale struck the island of Sulawesi.
Ini adalah akibat gempa.
29 people were injured, 2 of whom are in critical condition. Turkey was also affected by the earthquake. Australia, Queensland. The earthquake frightened residents of a region where the earth is usually calm. On another continent, Sicily trembles from the eruption of Mount Etna. Streams of hot lava flow down the slopes, and although tourist areas have been evacuated, residents of nearby villages live in fear. After all, the mountain is waking up more and more often. All these events are not a series of coincidences. The world seems to be moving toward a point of no return. The Bible warned that in the last days, the earth would be shaken and the waters would overflow their banks. Isn't that what we are seeing today? Subscribe to our channel. Here you will learn the truth about the disasters that are changing the face of our planet. Write in the comments which of these disasters you consider to be harbingers of the end of times.